Hi, I'm Tyler with TC Brothers. I'm here to talk to you today about Moto Iron Universal Front Brake Master Cylinders. If you're looking to replace a leaking, crusty old master cylinder on your motorcycle, I highly recommend you check out one of these Moto Iron Universal Front Brake Master Cylinders. Nice thing about these is they already include a brand new 10mm diameter banjo bolt with sealing washers. They also include an integrated 10mm diameter mirror hole, as well as a nice slim integrated front brake switch. Great feature about these as well is they're available in either 7/8 diameter handlebar application for early metric bikes or a 1-inch diameter handlebar size for late model metric cruisers or Harley-Davidson applications. You can find out more information about these by visiting our website, tcbros.com.